Welcome to Palm Beach, a paradise known for its stunning landscapes and luxurious living. But behind the beauty lies a crucial aspect of property ownership, safety and compliance. Today, we're diving into the importance of milestone inspections in Palm Beach. A milestone inspection is a critical evaluation conducted at various stages of construction. It ensures that your property meets all safety standards and building codes. In Palm Beach, where the real estate market is booming, these inspections are not just a formality. They are essential for protecting your investment. Whether building new or renovating, milestone inspections spot issues early, saving you time and money. Milestone inspections allow us to catch problems before they escalate. We assess everything from structural integrity to electrical systems, ensuring your home is safe and sound. The benefits are clear: enhanced safety, compliance with local regulations, and peace of mind for homeowners. In Palm Beach, investing in a milestone inspection is investing in your future. For more information on milestone inspections in Palm Beach, visit Universal Engineering's website. Ensure your dream home is built on a solid foundation. Visit us, www.universalengineering.net.